The drunken boy broke his father's arm. The story of the old couple's fight is viral. Everyone has heard the story. Everyone has read how the story of the old restaurant director spread across the country from a few social media posts. But since then, the words of many people have been coming up again and again on social media, where it can be seen in this lockdown. How many people have spent their days in trouble? In fact, this lockdown has broken the backbone of the economic system. As a result, the livelihood of the unorganized sector workers has become quite a problem. Due to lack of regular economic activities, regular shopping of many shops has been stopped. As a result, on the one hand, as the income of the workers has stopped, so has the small shop have suffered hug losses. Since this low capitalized business cannot survive without long-term economic transaction. Many have closed down, but some of them are still fighting for survival. The same is true of this tea-selling elderly couple in the Dwarka sector of southwest Delhi in India. A netizen named Fodi Vishal recently shared his words on social media. He reads that the 70-year-old man and his wife have been running a tea shop for a long time. The boy does not see his parents. One day, after drinking alcohol, the boy severely beat his father. As a result, one of his father's hands became paralyzed forever. The spine is broken. The boy did not calm down just because of the brutal torture. Then he kicked his parents out of the house. Then they came to Dwarka Sector 13 and opened a tea shop in search of survival. But for the last few months, there has not been much trade. As a result, they do not have the same income as many. The couple is counting the days waiting for his help in old age. Cyprus priest injures baby while dunking it in water during baptism ceremony goes viral. In a rather scary incident, a baby was badly injured by a priest who was supposed to perform the baptism. In the video footage of the incident, it can be seen how violently the baby is being dealt with. Unfortunately, this video is not available right now. As per a report published in the Daily Mail, the parents of the baby have lodged a complaint against the priest with the charge. The parents have accused the priest for injuring the baby during the process of baptism, which took place in Limassol. In the footage that has been accessed by the news portal, the priest is weirdly holding the baby by its arm. Furthermore, he is clearly seen violently dipping the baby in the vessel. What is shocking is the fact that the priest does not pay attention to the fact that the baby's legs are striking the edge of the vessel while he is dipping him in it. Nitina Shitta, the mother of the baby, told the Daily Mail, "The priest hit my baby. We all shouted at him to be careful, but he replied, 'I am responsible for the baptism.' The baby became red and was in shock. This priest ruined our most beautiful day." In a TV interview later, the concerned priest apologized to the family. However, he refused to accept any deliberate wrongdoing on his part. In fact, he went on to say that there was a point where the baby was about to slip from his hands. So in order to protect the baby, he put his arm under the baby's hip for its safety. The priest continued to claim that he had no intention of hitting or injuring the baby.